300 000 $ cash dans ce sac.
300 000 $ à Marseille, en France? Toute la journée, soit monsieur en Europe, soit à Dubaï, et on compte Dubaï. C'est ambiance à gauche, ambiance à droite, c'est fiesta. Monsieur chaque jour, la sauté avec des top modèles. Monsieur même négligé Delilah, fiancée.
Welcome, Miss Delilah.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome to Delilah's world.
Hey, Brink, let me know how that goes with Mr. Lee when you hear from him again. Sure. Oh, and Chica, good luck and welcome to Delilah's world.
Thank you.
Et non, mais belle fille ça. Belle fille de rêve ça. Bon bagage, monsieur, pas comprendre.
Yeah, Big Brother is watching.
Sammy, open up the first page for me. You see that man on the first page? His name is Daniel Watson. He's a U.S. citizen, originally from Haiti. He's the CEO of a non-profit organization called Zuvanyo na Lakai.
I need a receipt of all the donations you have received from 2010 after the earthquake until now. I also need a receipt of all the money you have sent to your team in Haiti, and I need a report of what you've done with the money.
Come on, Jesus, fair phone Simon concert because you are beautiful.
Hey, what you think you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. That's all.
I don't know if it was that little dance we just did, but I don't get down like that on the first
Oh,
day.
c'est pour ça après même. Because tempérament c'est à côté bien à ma fille. I don't do everything on the first day. Pour moi faire belle action avec mon fille, that took time. Ça prend pile de temps avec moi. Like, pour me sortir avec mon fille pour me faire tout bail, ça prend à peu près 1, 2, 3, about 5.
What, 5 weeks?
Oh, non, my shit. Oh, no, my shit.
About 5 months?
But, oh, ça va parler de big dick, ouais, c'est oui, oh.
5 years?
And then my mother not cast, so we're going to put my swell to 5 minutes.
She's crazy. Too much noise in the house. The voisinage, baby, please shut up.
What's see that way, Nico? You see the what?
What you got to say
Your
now?
hands going
Yo, what
down,
you got
not
to
in
say
my
now?
face. So there's one bad never going to come to California from down. Oh, Jenny!
Oh my God!
I am not your God.
ESKANDAL. Un film à ne pas rater.